Hi soldiers, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. Welcome to Now Experts Time channel. In this channel we are discussing the ServiceNow related features, solutions and functionalities, how it is helping in the real business landscape. There are a lot of topic we discussed in this channel. When you have a time, you just go through the topic and get some clarity and apply in your business landscape. So in today's session, we are talking about the virtual agent related series. Specifically, today we are focusing the virtual agent related topic identification. First, what is a topic? So, in virtual agent site, when you are logging there, you want to reset the password. You have some computer issue. You want to replace the hardwares. So those are all the problems. I'm just saying an example here. Those are all the problems you are highlighting. Those problems normally we call it as a utterance. So there are two important informations are there. One is intent and utterance. It's pretty much important when you talk about the topic. So the intent utterance, intent means it's a high level information, computer issue, that is intent. Utterance means I have a laptop issue, MacBook is not working, and laptop is completely shut down. So these are all the things comes under one heading, that is called computer issue. So that computer issue is called as an intent. That utterance, what I just highlighted 1, 2, 3, those are all the things comes under the utterance part. So why it is required? What is the reason we need to focus? This is a question. Just park just few minutes. When you come in your out of box site, out of box the ready-made virtual agent topics are there. That virtual agent topics, it's for a global problem areas. So password reset, it's a global problem. Computer is not working, it's a global problem. So these items, ServiceNow understand that pain point and they prepare the ready-made solutions with the help of virtual agent topic. So similar way, the same type of issue may it come in your real business landscape. Some additional related item also it comes in your business landscape. Out of box side, you take it, it'll fulfill your 50 to 60 percentage for your requirement. Remaining 40% in business landscape, you can face a different issues. Those different issues can be identified with the help of this intent and utterance. This intent and utterance, it's pretty much important. You need to run every 3 months or every 6 months and try to identify repeated issues are there. If the repeated issues are there, you just classify under this virtual agent topic. So that's the major motto. So when you talk about this business related intent utterance, how I can identify it, where that out of box capabilities is supporting to identify, that is pretty much important question, right? So to answer this question, ServiceNow introduce natural language unit. So the natural language unit is helping to identify the intent and utterance part. So this is completely supporting to move to the next case. What are all the topic I need to build in the virtual agent? That answer it can be classified via this NLU. Okay, so if you want to run this NLU, this is a complete platform capability. So when you have a ServiceNow instance, you directly go in your left navigation pane and type NLU workbench or intent discovery, then automatically it will come. So there you need to run that item so that it will bring it. So what is a prerequisite? Two prerequisite. Number one, the intent discovery is displayed in your left navigation pane or not. You need to check it. Number two, you want to identify that intent utterance for what table? Is it incident, problem, change, service request? What is that? For example, if you are taking incident, then incident table should have more than 10,000 record. So now I am just matching my statement here. I said every 3 months once you need to run this intent discovery, try to identify. So 3 months minimum 10,000 record, more than 10,000 record it will come. So this is a normal, right? So 10,000 record, at least every quarter you focus it, you can try to understand easily what is the intent and utterance business is expecting, how to reduce the ticket with the help of virtual agent conversation. That area we can focus here. So this is a simple diagram to understand your NLU. So first you need to go for a intent and discovery area under NLU workbench. Then you need to find the data source. Here the data source means it's part of your incident table or service request table or change table or problem table. What is that? Try to identify it. So which table it is required, you select it. So under this table, which field I need to analyze this item? Mostly we will use that short description of the ticket to find the relevant information or intents. So you select the short description. For some reason short description is I'm not okay, I want to change some other field, you can select a description or which field you are looking, you just configure those information there. So once these two items is completed, then just click the button, it will do the run analysis. Based on the run analysis, it will show the identified result. So it will show n number of identified result. So we cannot focus everything in one. So what I recommend here, based on my earlier experience, just to take a top 10, first top 10, you just take it, discuss with the business. This is a repeated problems are coming. So can we progress this virtual agent topics and try to avoid that more ticket logging, these type of issue. Instead of ticket logging, can we close the ticket direct live conversation with the agent? That's the way we need to discuss. That derivation is happening via this top 10 focus. Once this focus is clear, now use that virtual agent designer and build that item and finally publish into your virtual agent portal. So these are all the major 4 steps outcome. So what we will do is we directly go to the instance. So if you go here in the left navigation pane, type NLU. Inside that NLU you can see the intent discovery here. So just click the intent discovery, it will come this page. So when you see this is a page, then you just click the run analysis. So here you need to select the data source. That's what I have highlighted in the diagram. So which table it is required, you select the table name, automatically it will come. So you can see the number of tables are coming here. So you take service request, incident or problem or change, whatever it is, just take it. And are you focusing any conditions? Are you focusing only for a resolved ticket or closed ticket or all active tickets or all inactive tickets? You can define that condition. A category basis, if you want, you can define the condition. Based on that, the filter will work and it will show the results. Finally, here you are coming under the field analysis. So in this field analysis, what it is showing us, you need to select the field. Which field I need to refer to find the intent? Mostly short description, it is a best practice recommendation. If you want to change some other, what field it is required, you just take from that field here, then you can run that job. And you can see here this is a 92 records, so definitely it should not work. So if you click this I symbol, it will show the down. Normally it will show more than 10,000 records are required. So if you run this analysis also, you can see the error message, the number of records should be at least 10,000 and not exceeded 3 lakhs records. So this is a condition. So when you run this intent, you should follow this prerequisite so that it will work, otherwise it won't work. So I cannot run, but I can show my article. I have explained the same information in the article. This is a URL, it is available here. So NLU intent, how to identify the conversation topic in the business instance. So I just put a use case here and I provide the solution also here, what basis we can do it. I just explained in this item. So step 1, step 2, step 3, everything I just explained. So when you select and run, then what it is showing is final result, it will show like this. You can see this. This is a executed one. So in this executed one, so see here intent, it shows ITSM issue software SAP, ITSM issue email troubleshooting. So how many tickets? 6,675 tickets it is associated with this item. Similar way, 1,521 tickets are associated with this email troubleshooting related issues. So this is a way you need to identify it for that intent related information. So once you clear with this intent, now you are ready to develop that topic inside in your virtual agent. I hope it makes sense. So this is a pretty simple, easy capability. ServiceNow simplified this approach. ServiceNow gives a very simple click view, then you are just finding the relevant intent for your business landscape. So I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, you just put your questions in the comment section. And meanwhile, this is additional info for you guys. I have created my blog. This is my blog detail. What are all the items I have experienced with the customers, and I want to record that item as articles. What are all the challenges I faced when I implement into the business landscape? Everything I have recorded in this blog. So maybe when you have a time, you just open it and see it. Relevant topic, may that will help you. So I hope you enjoyed this session. So stay tuned and subscribe my channel, and wait for more information regarding our ServiceNow related topics. Thank you for your time, and good day and goodbye.